Hey, welcome to our demo of our Bridgeport milling machine. This one's got the 42-inch table, it's got X and Y axis power feeds, it's got our latest DRO system with an LCD screen, it's got the graphical PCD system, so it's had a full stripped down service and rebuilt everything that needs doing on it. So it's got brand new lead screws, full stripped down service on the head, it's had brand new belts, brand new bearings, loads of pulleys, anything that's needed. It's had a lot of work on the head. The quills had all new bearings on the spindle. And we've also put in all sorts of new parts on to make sure it's like new, including the new lube system and so on. So let's all see it working now. And if you want a machine like this, check us out on gtmachineparts.co.uk. Or if you want just like a DRO system, not necessarily just for a Bridgeport, but we do all types of lathes, right from the smallest to some of the biggest lathes in the UK. So that's on gtprecision.co.uk. You can specify the machine you've got and email us. If any questions, just call. We do have a technical helpline as well that's free. So yeah, we're here to help. So this one has got a 42-inch table. It's got brand new lead screws. These lead screws are made in the UK as well. They're really nice and smooth all the way across. Of course, we've changed the nuts, the double nut system that goes with it as well. Same with the Y, brand new system, brand new lead screw. All lovely and smooth. This has got safety handles there. That's what the noise was. We're just not pushing it in far enough. So that's really nice. Obviously, you've got to put the safety handles on for the power feeds. Same with the knee. The knees have new lead screws, brand new main bearing in there as well. And you'll see the screen, the Z-axis moving on the screen there. So the third axis is on the knee on this particular system. You can upgrade to a 4-axis. We changed the console to a 4-axis console, and then we put another scale on the quill there. Everyone who's had it have really liked it. It's really great system. So anywhere you move the machine, you know exactly where you are. Okay, so moving on, let's power the machine up. So each stop out, green button on, and then the power feeds come on. This machine isn't fitted with a guard as yet because it's still in testing mode. It will be before it ships though. And you do get a CE certificate with the guarding system, which we put a hard copy in with the machine, and we'll also email you one as well. Okay, so power feed on the X. These are all variable speed, come with a 1-year warranty because they're brand new. Rapid override. So you can move these stops up and down to wherever you need them to be, wherever the vice of the job is. And when the stop hits there, it'll shut down automatically for you, so it's a really nice system. Okay, hidden under here, there's some extra little stops, so as long as you don't take them out or take them off, you'll be fine. And that's so that there's a scale at the back which powers the DRO, and that's to stop that being damaged. So with the Y-axis, again, it's got stops on the side. I would tend to leave them where they are because people just tend to forget where they are. You know? So I wouldn't play around with those. They're at the extremities of the travel. Again, runs great. The table's in really great condition. We've actually had the table reground and matched to the X-axis slide there as well. So it's in really beautiful condition. There's an LED light here, and that's IP65 sealed as well. Okay, so moving on, let's test the variable speed head and the quill for you. So we're currently at about 450 RPM. And you hear how quiet that is as we fire up, it's really nice. So that's around 800 RPM. 1300, 1800, up to 2300. Hit the brake just to show it works, and in reverse now. Just come out to reverse. Back down to 1300, 700, and back down to 450. It's a really nice system. Okay, turn that off, hit the brake. We're going to go into low range now. So to do that, we need to move this hand. This one tends to get in the way. So it's a quick release system. See, the quill's not moving, but I can move the handle wherever I like, and it just pings back in to engage. It's really nice. So to turn this handle round to the low range, we push this handle in here, and then turn it back round to the low, Make sure it's locked in, and then fire up. Here it's just as quiet in low range. Up to 1,000, 1,600, up to 2,200. That's it, yeah, sorry, it's not 240 RPM. In reverse, just as quiet in reverse. Back down to 1,100. Sorry, back and then back down to 50. Okay, so we'll go back to high range now. But before we go to high, we'll go to the neutral position. So that's the neutral position. It's got a little notch there to show you where neutral is, and that'll allow your spindle to freewheel for clocking up any PCDs or anything like that. So back into high. Sometimes you need to just turn the spindle just to make sure it locks into the dogs, and fire back up. Get it going a little bit quicker. Okay, make sure your quill lock is off. I've got this handle back up so you can see it move. Okay, and engage the quill. You see it's feeding down now. As I say, we can add a quill DRO scale there for you if you wish. So for every spindle speed, you've got 3 different feed rates. That's the highest. That's the slowest. And that's the medium that's at the bottom. All working as they should. I'll reverse that now, so turn the quill feed off. To reverse, you push this handle in. There is a middle position as well, which is neutral. And then you see it'll feed back up now, so it's all working as it should. You can knock it off with just your hand, which is correct. And again, in feeding up, it works in all 3 different feed rates. And let it turn off automatically for you. There we go. Turns off as it should. So yeah, if you want a machine like this, please check us out on gtmachineparts.co.uk, or come down and give us a call. Come down and see them. Come down and see them in real life. Thanks for watching.